Hello everyone and welcome to Jade Bakes Things. Today we're making black sesame and chocolate chip cookies, egg-free. This recipe was inspired by Becca at Cooking Therapy. I'll put a link down in the description below. This is your list of ingredients. Most of these things can be found in a regular pantry, except for the black sesame powder, which you may need to get from a Chinese or Asian supermarket. First we need to make the brown butter, so you melt the butter on a medium heat until the yellow or the brown flakes appear. Stir frequently to prevent burning. As you can see, there's some brown flakes at the bottom of this butter. So now we're going to add the sugars, milk and vanilla to the butter, and you just mix them well. I post a lot of egg-free baking on my channel because my daughter is allergic to eggs. So if you want to see more egg-free recipes, please like and subscribe. Now we're going to add the black sesame powder. Mix this well. As you can see, it turns it into a nice shiny black. Add the flour and baking soda and just mix gently until just combined. Careful not to overmix here, as then it'll turn into tough cookies. Now add your chocolate chips in and mix gently. Now you have to be careful, if the mixture is too warm, then your chocolates will melt, like mine did. Now use an ice cream scoop to scoop the cookie dough onto baking paper and freeze for 30 minutes. While you're doing that, you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then bake the cookies for 15 minutes. Leave to cool completely before serving. They're quite soft when they come out of the oven because they don't have any eggs in them, so just be careful when you're handling them. And that's it. Egg-free black sesame and chocolate chip cookies. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.